Good evening. Today's topic is geometry, lines and angles. First, lines and angles. Lines segment A to B and the parallel lines AB, CD. AB is parallel to CD and PQ is a transversal line. Corresponding angles: angle 1 is equal to angle 8, angle 4 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 7, angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Vertically opposite angles: angle 1 is equal to angle 3, 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 6 is equal to 8, angle 5 is equal to 7. In figure 5 is equal to 7 is vertically opposite angle. Third, alternate interior angles: angle 2 is equal to angle 5, angle 1 is equal to angle 6, means angle 2 is equal to angle 5 and angle 1 is equal to angle 6, which is alternate interior angles. Exterior angle: angle 4 is equal to angle 7 and angle 3 is equal to angle 8. In figure, angle 3 is equal to angle 8. Fourth, straight angle: straight angle, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 1 and plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. Fifth, co-interior angles: angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 2 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Please subscribe my channel Exam Challenge. This is a parallel lines, which is AB is parallel to angle CD and PQ is a transversal line, and these are the corresponding angles. Second, vertically opposite angle, alternate interior angles, straight angles, and fifth is co-interior angle. Co-interior angles means angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree and angle 2 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree, means angle 2 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree.